I have an ABP outdoor faucet. I have replaced the round washer on the end of the stem. It fits in the square metal piece. But the faucet is still leaking. Should I try another washer or replace the stem? What kind of stem do I need?
Welcome to Just Answer. I will do my best to answer your question to the best of my professional ability. You can respond by typing in the box. The only thing you can do is try to take the old stem out and replace with anything that matches at the plumbing supply house. If you have already tried replacing the washer at the end of the stem and it's still leaking, then it could just be the inside brass is worn out and now the whole thing will need replacement because you can't add back what has worn off over the years of use.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.